Have you ever wondered how to easily repair broken items? From fine jewellery chains to intricate charms, in this video we're showcasing the advanced capabilities of the Lampert PUK 6 TIG Welder. This tool is a cutting-edge solution for fine, intricate metalwork and micro welding. Designed specifically for jewellers, goldsmiths and repair specialists, the PUK 6 offers precision welding like never before. Whether you're mending delicate chain links, fixing jump rings, or working on detailed charm restoration, this compact yet powerful welder makes the impossible possible. What you're watching here is a real-time demonstration of the PUK 6 in action, effortlessly repairing small-scale metal components with pinpoint accuracy. Its intuitive interface coupled with the microscope allows for an incredibly detailed view of your work, so you can weld confidently with total control. Paired with an argon regulator and designed for efficiency and safety, the PUK 6 ensures minimal heat impact, making it perfect for sensitive repairs. From platinum to gold, silver and stainless steel, the PUK handles it all with ease. With Lampert's trusted engineering and Cooksongold's industry-leading support, you're investing in more than just a tool. You're elevating your entire workshop to a new level of craftsmanship.
We're going to add a charm to a charm bracelet, but the jump ring's open, so we're going to weld the jump ring closed first. First of all, we attach the ground wire to the charm. And now we go ahead and we weld our jump ring, like so. And now we attach the jump ring to the charm. And then we attach the charm to the charm bracelet. And we close the jump ring. And then we do the weld to the jump ring and we're complete. So we're going to add a jump ring on top to build this area up where it's warm, and then we're going to begin to weld. And the last step will be to use a filler wire. And now we're going to resize down a ring. This is where we're going to resize the ring. So first we're going to join the ring back together. And now with a filler wire, we're going to fill in the gap that we have. And now the ring's ready for buffing and polishing. And now we're going to rebuild a worn claw. If we accidentally touch the stone with the electrode, there's no weld. It only welds when we actually touch the material of the ring. And now we've rebuilt the area where it was worn.
Ready to take your jewellery repairs and designs to the next level, the Lampert PUK 6 TIG Welder is available at Cooksongold, and even better yet, book a personal demonstration with our expert team today.